Yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Bhagirath Chaudhary, and interestingly today I am in the Faizabad area of Samarkand region of Uzbekistan. We are traveling here. I'm in a cotton field today. As you can see here, the cotton is maturing. You can see this cotton is maturing. You can see most of the cotton balls have been opened. Most of the cotton balls have been opened. Interestingly, you know all the cotton that you see here in this country is not more than 2 feet tall. These are only 2 feet tall cotton, and you will see that from plant to plant it has a very narrow spacing, not more than 15 centimeter, row to row probably 2 feet, not more than 2 feet. And interestingly, we see most of the sympodia with 2 to 3 ball which are on each of it. So very beautiful short cotton plant, very beautiful cotton plant, short cotton plant. Each of the cotton plant, as you can see, will bear at least 20 balls, each of the cotton. And I think per acre they have accommodate more cotton than what we do in our country. Interestingly, very short statured, so probably women who pick the cotton, like I am picking right away here, but very, very beautiful opening, and the whole cotton will come out like this. See, very big ball, very lots of cotton. Many of the seeds you can see, probably 10 seeds that I can see in one ball. So beautiful cotton, good bearing, very good bearing. Sir, can you show the? It's a big plot, as you can see here. We are in this rural area of Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is one of the Central Asian countries which is now growing cotton over 1 million hectares. And there is a huge efforts made by the government of Uzbekistan. And I want to tell the government of India's official and the politicians that Uzbekistan has taken a decision that they have leveled off 1 million hectares. Majority of cotton that they're growing is being now leveled with the laser leveler. They are competing. They have also approved technologies like BT and HT, herbicide tolerant technology in Uzbekistan. And it's becoming a very important country, and therefore we have to see that if we have to make our farmer more competitive, then we should look at technologies including high density planting system. How do you accommodate more better plant types, and in future we can also see, once we get these better plant types, then you go for mechanization kind of stuff. I think for our 7 to 8 million cotton farmer, it's a golden opportunity that government should really come out with a big plan to revive cotton production, and we should ensure that by 2030, which is like 6 years from now, we should at least produce 45 million bales of cotton in the country, so that our Prime Minister Mitra program, where you want to achieve $100 billion worth of textile export, can be achieved. It's a golden opportunity, and government has to pave the way for the farming community. We are so excited to be in Uzbekistan. Thank you.